this is Sabariaz with yet another makeup tutorial for you. First of all, I am using Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield Hydrating Lotion. It contains SPF 25, means no need to add extra SPF. It really hydrates your skin instantly. Applying primer from Smashbox Photofinish. Starting with the eyes first. Let's try some color correct on the lid with darker concealer today. The concealer I am using here for color correction is Tarte Creaseless Concealer in shade 10. Then regular Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for brighten up. Applying with fingertips as usual. Now blending it with Glam Beauty Sponge. Carving my eyebrows with charcoal black eyeshadow. Filling in my sparse areas only. I am not using loose powder today. Instead, I am using Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder for keeping minimal powder setting over concealer. Because I don't want extra dryness in winter. Today I am proudly using my freshly bought Pudaier Cosmetics Fish Scale HD palette. Give it to be straight. I don't know how to pronounce it, Pudaier or Pudaier. Starting eyeshadow application from the outer corner and dragging it towards the inner corner. I am using the shade named Seaweed, which is matte eyeshadow. You can see I am dragging the brush with leftover shadow towards the outer corner, giving it a cat eye look. In this way, it gives an illusion of lifted eyes. As I have droopy eyelids, it helps with the droopy eyes to lift somewhat. I am using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as an eyeshadow base for drawing cut crease look on my lid. Taking my time to draw precise cut crease. Depositing shade Charm to the inner corner of the cut crease. Using the lighter shade in the inner corner brightens the eye. Using my finger to build in density of this foil shadow. Next, I am gonna grab shade Perfect Lady. See how I am building the intensity of this shade. Sometimes these foil eyeshadows are tricky to work with. For tight lining, I am using Loreal Paris Khol by Super Liner pencil. I recently bought this pencil. Applying some mascara from Maybelline. Time to apply some eyeliner. This is Bold Felt Tip Eyeliner Pen from YSL. It's not gliding easily over the foil eyeshadow. I didn't like how it's working. Smudging the eyeliner with some brown eyeshadow. The foundation I am using today is from Milani Cosmetics Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer. Applying it with my fingertips, then blending with the beauty sponge. It's medium to full coverage foundation. Blending quite easily. It's not fully matte. It has kind of radiant finish somewhat. This foundation doesn't meant for mature skin. It exaggerates my pores. For under eye, I'm mixing two shades of concealers. One is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Fair. Other is Tarte Creaseless Concealer in shade 10. As I have applied concealer over the foundation, that's why I am blending it with my fluffy blending brush. Because I want to cover the areas where the darkness is. See how my under eye area brightened. My favorite step is to set freshly applied foundation with setting spray. For this purpose, I am using NYX setting spray in Dewy finish. Next, dusting with some pressed powder. I am using Root Cosmetics Undaunted Blush Palette. This is multitasking palette. It has some beautiful blush shades, contouring shades and bronzers. It is time saving and convenient to use. It is really hard to contour the nose that I have. I don't use highlighter on my nose because it only exaggerates crook part of my nose. Now heading towards some highlighter application. Outlining my lips with YSL Lip Liner pencil. Then I will apply MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in shade All Fired Up. Unfortunately, I couldn't capture the shot while applying lipstick. It's time to work on lower lash line area. Using the same shade I used for the crease area. See how I am joining the crease shade with the lower lash line shade. Applying some black pencil for intensity. Applying NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk in the waterline. Depositing the shadow named Desert over it. See how my eyes look wide and open. I have applied lashes off camera. Finally adding some bronzer to the whole face. Now this is the finished look. Hope you will like this new look. Take very good care of yourselves. Bye.